Hello, today we are doing the biochemical testing of Bacteroides fragilis here. It's one of our anaerobes in class. We already had a video that talked about the plate growth. So there was growth on, I'm going to do this in order. There was growth in all the plates, all of the media. We had the growth on the Brucella blood agar. Okay, notice the beta hemolysis, and that's the one we're going to take everything from when we do the biochemical testing. We had the growth on the Bacteroides bioescalin agar and the LBKV. All these are beautiful. And then the PEA agar. Okay. So I'm going to do the catalase testing really quick. And I do have an assistant with me, so if you see other hands, it's my friend over here. So I'm taking a couple of colonies. I'm just going to take it from the heavy area so that we can use the pure colonies for other things. Okay, so I spread it on there. Assistant, thank you. And we have, we do have bubbling. There are bubbles. So that is catalase positive. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this in a urease tube as well. So I'm going to take another little bit of colonies here. This is a pure culture. Thank you, assistant. And this is a regular urease tube because we do not have the urease tablets in class. So this is what we're going to have to use. So we jiggled it around in there. We are going to fully tighten the tube and incubate it. And the next thing we are also going to do is the spot indole. This is different than the indole that we've done previously, where we use the Kovacs reagent and put it on a 24-hour incubated MIO tube. This is different. So we're going to do 2 to 3 drops onto this swab. 2 looks good to me. Oh my gosh, did I get that on camera? Okay, we're going to take some from the Brucella blood agar plate. And for up to 3 minutes, we wait to see if there is a changing of color. So that is going to go on, and we're going to watch it and let you know. Do you see any color change yet? The camera's having a hard time focusing. Okay, so while that's going, I'm going to replate the organism again so we have stock culture. All right, so the timer is going off and we don't have any color change. Okay. Okay, so we did see a little bit of pink on there, which is indicative also of a negative color. Right now I'm going to plate this stock culture again so that we don't lose our organism. Oh, I dug on that plate. Nuts. So we're doing the order that we would to inoculate. Okay, so we do the Brucella blood agar first, and we streak that out, even though I dug that really hard. Okay, and we're going in twice, going in twice, going in once. Okay, we're going to do the bioescalin side first, and this is very hard to do a 4-quadrant on here, so we just kind of pull it out a little bit. Okay, we're spreading it to make a thick area, and then we're just pulling it down. All right, and then last but not least is the PEA. Okay, making the first quadrant, second quadrant, I accidentally went back in again, third and fourth. All right, so now we have our bag ready to go, and we will be putting in the plates first. Brucella blood agar first. Things are falling here. This is great. Okay, I always like to overlap the PEA with on top of the biplate, so that way you always get a good view of the Brucella blood agar, because most things are going to grow there. So that should be the one that you should see everything on, and that should be the one that you should keep visible. Right, assistant? I love having an assistant. This is wonderful. All right. So there you go. The indicator's already changing color. This is getting warm, which means that it's working, and we can end up putting this in the incubator. And we'll be putting it in an ambient air incubator because it's already in an anaerobic container, so it's fine.